Today we're gonna make holiday bark, an easy recipe to add to your list of holiday baking. I'm Nikki Gleckis and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. I love baking at Christmas time, and this Christmas bark is so easy, and it's great to make trays of this and package it for your friends, or I can add it to my little boxes of cookies that I always hand out. So to get started, we're just gonna put parchment paper down on a baking sheet, and I use club crackers. You can also use Ritz crackers, but I'm gonna just line the club crackers from all the way nice and tight all over your baking sheet. Now that we have our club crackers ready, we're gonna go to the stove and melt our brown sugar and our butter. We're gonna take 2 sticks of butter and melt that with 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Now that our sugar has dissolved with our butter and it's nice and bubbling, we are gonna pour this over our club crackers. Spread this out so that it's even all over our club crackers. The holidays are the time to indulge, and that is definitely what we're doing when it comes to all of this fun baking that we do, the holidays. But this is such a delicious idea, gift idea too, that you can make quickly and package it up. Now that we've spread out our brown sugar and butter, we're gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees for 5 minutes. So it's nice and bubbling. Take this out of the oven. And our next step is to pour chocolate on top. So on top of this, you can be creative. You can use dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, you can use white chocolate. I have melted here some white chocolate that I'm gonna pour on top. And I'm also going to mix on top, drizzle some red and green to make it nice and festive. I'm gonna pour this on top. I'm gonna spread it out. You want to do this step when it comes right out of the oven, so it's nice and hot. So we have our white chocolate. Next, I have some melted red chocolate that I'm just gonna drizzle on top to make it nice and festive. Some melted green. Now we've mixed our different colors. We're gonna add some M&Ms. And this is definitely one that my kids love to eat. Usually love to make this with me as well, but we made some earlier. So I'm gonna put M&Ms all over here, cover that, and some fun festive sprinkles. Sprinkle all over. I mean, this is the one where it's like, the more the better. Put our sprinkles all over, and I have some fun candy cane sprinkles. Add that in there. Look at this. We're gonna put this in the freezer so it can get nice and hard, and then we're gonna break it apart so it looks like our Christmas bark. I made this one earlier and I took it out of the freezer to show you guys how to break this up. Once you're gonna pull up the parchment paper, we're just gonna break it up unevenly in big chunks, and everybody can enjoy this. We can break this up. Look at all of those M&Ms. I've broken up all of our bark, perfect for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.